We have already covered some basic aspects of the Screens tab and how to import objects, etc. Since this is the case, we will now introduce you step by step to ways in which you can get your pixel content to actually end up as a proper projection. On the left-hand side, you can find our projector database. The database includes all major projector manufacturers with their relevant products, and it does get updated. Basically, you can import projectors to your workspace in the same way you did with Screens before. You just choose one from the left and then drop it into the middle workspace. As soon as you select a projector you have imported, the related information appears on the right.